Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching Techno Right. What up peeps, you're watching Techno Right where technology is done right. So hey guys, I'm sorry for not uploading for quite a while. I've been really busy lately, but I'm trying to make the videos come out more consistent now, and today we have a really simple and short tutorial. This is a very simple thing to do, but most people out there just fork out a lot of money to do this stuff. It's pretty simple guys. Okay, so now today we are going to focus on Windows 10, but you can do this on Windows 7 or Windows 8. You can just go to Google, search for Windows 7 ISO, and you can download it and you can do the same steps. But for today we're going to focus on Windows 10. Okay, so basically what we are going to do is first off we are going to go to Google and we're going to get the ISO file. So what you want to type, you're just going to type in Google Windows 10 download. So the first link will be a link from Microsoft themselves. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, you're going to go to this create Windows 10 installation media. You're going to download that. It's a tool, it's a media creation tool. So when you click download, you should get this. So we're going to run that. As you see, it's getting a few things ready. That should take a while. So while that's doing, let's go to another website and go to Google and type in Rufus and click on the first link, and you should get here. I'll put both of the links down in the description so you don't have to do a Google search. It'll be easier for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down to the very bottom, not to say very bottom, but yeah, to the download location, and you can see Rufus 3.5, Rufus Portable, and other versions. I personally like to go with the 3.5 Portable because I don't like to install it. It just takes very, and yeah, okay, man, I can, because now I have two Rufus. Okay, great. Okay, so let's going back to this. So that's all you need guys. You need Rufus and the ISO. I'm going to minimize this. We are going to accept. Yes, it says getting a few things ready. Okay, I'm going to open up Rufus as well. Click yes. Allow Rufus. So I'm not, no, just don't. No updates. Okay, so this is literally Rufus guys, that's it. So I'm just going to keep this aside for now. Stay. Okay, so as soon as that getting ready stuff finishes, you get this upgrade this PC now or create installation media. We're going to go to create an installation media, and then we're going to uncheck this so you gain access to here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the language, which is at default it should be United States. We're going to go for the Windows 10 edition, but this time in the architecture I would recommend you to do both. So if you download both, when you boot it into a USB drive, you'll have the option to choose between a 64-bit and 32-bit. So if you have a lower spec computer which allows 32-bit, you don't have to come back and redo this whole process again, which is going to take a while. So I would, just for safety precautions, I would ask you to just do both. I do both always. So yeah, it's pretty simple. Then you're just going to click next, and then here you can use this thingy to create your USB flash drive like straight up. But what I recommend you to do is to select ISO. So basically what you can do is when you select ISO, you will have the Windows file, as you see here, already on the desktop. So you don't have to re-download every time you need to create the flash drive. If you just select ISO, you can just use third-party software like Rufus to do it. So I'm just going to click on ISO, click on next. It will ask where do you want save. You're going to click on save and it will start your download. I'm not going to download right now because I already have the Windows file right here. So it should take a while to to download, guys, depending on internet speed. So I'm going to plug in my USB flash drive right now, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, upon inserting the USB flash drive, Rufus has already detected it, which is pretty freaking awesome. So what you're going to do in Rufus is you're going to choose the USB flash drive, and then boot selection, you're going to go for disk or image. I'm going to click on that, disk or ISO, sorry. Then you're going to click on the select button right here, and you're going to search the file, which is this. So you're going to search where you downloaded the Windows file. It's in my desktop. I'm going to click open, and it will say standard Windows installation. Click that, and then just leave it as GPT if you're having a UEFI system. So basically UEFI BIOS usually comes in newer systems like the latest KB Lake, Skylake, Coffee Lake, Ryzen. So that pretty much the BIOS which has freaking new tech, and you can move your mouse and all that. So if you're going for that type of systems, I would recommend GPT UEFI. If not, if you're using a really old system or a system with legacy BIOS, you're going to go for MBR. So I'm going to select MBR since I'm going to install this on an old laptop. Okay, so and then just leave the volume label as it is. You can change it, so it's your wish, and then it will format your FAT32 USB flash drive into an NTFS. So make sure you know what is your drive's name, so you don't accidentally install Windows back onto that drive, which would be kind of awkward. So basically, yeah, that's it, and then just leave this at default and just click on start. And yes, it's just saying that it will erase all the file that is in it. Okay guys, so this will take a while, so I'm just going to fast forward it. Okay guys, and I'm back. So you can see that it's done. Basically it took about 41 minutes and 11 seconds precisely. So yeah, after this you can just click on close, and you can go to your PC, and you can see that if you use 8 gigs drive, it would be full, so you can't put any extra files on there. Just to say you want to download NVIDIA driver, which is almost about 500 MB, so it won't fit in there. So I would recommend you to get a 16 gig, at least 16 gigs. So an 8 gig is pretty much just full, so you can see all these files. So now what you have to do is just plug it into the laptop or the PC you want to install it into, set. So basically that's it guys. So if you want to know on how to install with a USB flash drive, you can go to the video on your top right, right now, and you can see that video listed. It should be there 1 week after this video. So if you're seeing this video 1 week before, it won't be there, but I'm pretty sure I'll get it right up. So yeah, I think that's about it guys from me. If you succeeded doing this process and it was easy, please give me a like, and I will continue to do more videos like this. If you have any questions or you had any problems during this process, please put them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to help you out ASAP. So I think that's about it guys, so please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.